Hi, everyone. This is a timely message because the question of does Etsy stack coupons comes up a lot, especially this time of year when you want to maybe give your mailing list an extra discount and you want them to be able to use 2 coupons on Etsy. You can't do that. Etsy doesn't stack coupons on Etsy unless one is for free shipping. Like the free shipping discounts do stack. That's the only thing that stacks. And when I say stack, it's like using 2 coupons on top of each other. So what happens if someone comes in with 2 coupons? Etsy will take the highest value and will apply it to the order. Now, we did have a situation recently, which was interesting, where something was on sale already, okay? The customer came in with a discount coupon, but she bought something else in the same order that was not on sale. So she applied the coupon to the shopping cart. The coupon did not apply to the sale item. It only took the sale price because it must have been a higher value. But it did take the coupon off of the thing that was full price. So it's not as straightforward as just saying you can't use 2 coupons. It's on a per item level. The other thing to remember is that Etsy has been doing this stuff where they're doing like $5 off of $30 purchase right now. That's an Etsy funded coupon, and those do stack, I believe. So you can have something that's on sale and use that Etsy discount, and you will get that money off, but that's funded by Etsy. That's not our coupons. So if you're the one that's handing out sales and coupons, you can't expect people to be able to stack them, and that's good if you don't want that to happen. Unless one is free shipping, that will stay in place, and then the discount will be applied to the product. That will stack. But if someone comes along with the Etsy coupon and uses that, then that will stack on top of your discounts, but you're not paying for that anyway. So that's all right. So that's how the Etsy coupon system works. It's a little complicated, but it's not, they basically take the higher value and they apply things on a per item level, apparently. All right. So leave me any questions and I will talk to you later.